If you're craving something light, this shrimp ceviche is exactly what you need. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need shrimp, Roma tomatoes, red onion, English cucumber, green onions, jalapeno pepper, serrano pepper, cilantro, limes, lemon, clamato tomato cocktail, Valentina hot sauce, Maggi liquid seasoning, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Let's start with the shrimp. We've already peeled and deveined 1 pound of shrimp, and now we're chopping it into small bite-sized pieces. Once the shrimp is chopped, salt a pot of boiling water, then add the shrimp and blanch it for 1 to 2 minutes, just until they turn pink and opaque. After that, drain the shrimp and immediately transfer to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. To save some time, we've already gone ahead and prepped all our vegetables. Once the shrimp has completely chilled, drain them well, then add them to a large bowl along with 4 diced Roma tomatoes, half a diced red onion, 1 diced English cucumber, 2 stalks of chopped green onions, 1 diced jalapeno, 1 diced serrano pepper, and a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. Next, pour in 1 cup of fresh lime juice, which took us about 12 limes. Then add the juice of 1 lemon, a half cup of clamato tomato cocktail, 1 or 2 tablespoons of Valentina hot sauce for a mild kick, and a teaspoon of Maggi liquid seasoning for that deep savory flavor. Mix everything together until well combined. Season it to taste with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Give it one final mix to incorporate the seasonings. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. And there you have it, shrimp ceviche. We're serving ours on a crispy tostada with fresh avocado slices, but feel free to serve yours however you like. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments how you serve yours. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.